Yes, Nikon. Nikon have just announced their flagship Z9. It's in development and we're going to be seeing it in the later part of 2021. I'm really excited. I'm going to explain why I'm excited, even though I'm not going to be buying the Z9. And I'm also going to show you a great gadget for all you Zsters out there who love to vlog with your Z cameras. Yes, Nikon has just announced their brand new flagship Z9. I'm really excited. And the reason I'm excited is because of all the technology that they're going to be packing in to their flagship camera. Now, in the past, every flagship camera that has been jam-packed with great features for all the professional photographers out there who need that kind of body. But all of the technology that's in that Z9 is going to be filtered down in the upcoming new bodies that are going to be released in the future. And for all those people who were saying Nikon is dead in the water, they are closing, that's not happening. They're releasing their flagship camera and built on a really strong foundation of a really solid mirrorless system in the Z system, and specifically the Z mount. This is just going to change everything for Nikon, it really is. And I'm really excited for that upcoming release of that camera, to see the results that that gives and see what kind of technology is going to be passed down in the upcoming cameras that are going to be released from Nikon. So really exciting times for Nikon. I'm super excited for them. There's lots of specs out there on the website for the Z9. It's got a stacked CMOS sensor, so we're going to be seeing between a 40 and 50 megapixel camera, because it's going to be shooting 8K. So we're going to see a lot of megapixels coming from that camera also, and we're also going to see a beefed up processor to support the 8K footage. But I'm just really excited to see how the autofocus is on the Z9, because in the D500 and the D850, the autofocusing was passed down from their flagship camera, the D5, the D4. That was passed down to those cameras, and that was phenomenal autofocus. So I'm really excited. You guys who shoot sports, birds photography, usually have been highly anticipating this camera. I know you have. I think it's going to be phenomenal. The jam-packed everything into the D850. That was an absolute beast of a camera. It still is an absolutely awesome camera. So I'm really excited to see what the new technology that they pack into this new flagship Z9. Really excited, guys. I can't wait for that release and seeing the reviews on that. So for all you Zsters out there who love to vlog with their Z cameras but do miss that flip out screen so you can see exactly how you framed and how you focus and how the exposure is, I have a little treat for you guys. I came across this little gadget which is just absolutely fantastic. Inexpensive, cost me £12. But what it does is it sits on top of your hot shoe on the camera, and it basically just reflects your screen up through kind of a periscope straight back to you, so you can actually see the reflection of the back of the screen as you're looking in the camera. It is really good. It's such an inexpensive and easy way to set up and start shooting. No need to mess about with an external monitor, adding batteries, adding HDMI cables. It's made of plastic with a mirror inside, and it just reflects the back of the screen. Lovely. Now I've got the back of the screen turned down quite low on my Z6 II, and I can still see it perfectly well. So if you're outside vlogging, this is going to be a great little tool for you. I'll put links in the description so you can go and check that out. But what a great idea. I don't think it was specifically designed for the Z6 or the Z system itself. I think it was designed for the Sony cameras who don't have those flip out screens. But it is just a great little invention, and one that takes nothing to put on. And what's also great about it is actually you can still attach things to that selfie mirror. So as I have now, I've got the wireless Go attached to the top of it. So if you've got a shotgun mic, you can attach that to it. I think you can attach a couple of other accessories either side. So a really cheap, inexpensive way to set yourself up really quickly in a hurry, and you can see everything perfectly. And actually you can see yourself recording. You can see the button, it's recording how long's left and all that kind of shenanigans, which is really good. All done in a jiffy. Now I love little gadgets like that, so I thought it'd be worth sharing it with you guys. Like I say, all the links will be in the description below. So what a great day. Nikon has finally announced their flagship camera. I'm really excited to see all of the developments coming, and I'm really excited this year to see what they release in terms of lenses and stuff as well. So lots to look forward to for all us Zsters out there. So thanks for watching, folks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and flick that notification bell so you can see when more videos like this are posted, and I will see you folks in the next one. See you then.